Hey Sean, I can't afford these $450,000 properties. What am I gonna do? I only got pre-approved for $250,000, bro. Come on, hook me up. I wanna get started. I wanna get in this game. I wanna be retired by 25, 30. Help me out. Here you go, guys. This video is for some of you guys that are maybe a tad bit younger or just now started seeing some videos and you're just now getting yourself aligned and you're on your way to getting pre-approved for $350,000, $400,000 and you just can't get there right yet. And so you're looking at these videos, you're getting inspired, but you're like, man, I'm seeing these houses right now and I really wanna jump in on them, but I just can't get in there. I'm gonna have to wait. If you want to do a long-term hold, this video is for you. And so this video is going to be for a house that's going to be just south of downtown, and it's in a pretty rough neighborhood, and the street's very narrow, and the way to get to it's very awkward, and the home itself, the way it's built on the inside, the space, the backyard, and the rooms are tad bit small. It's not as marketable. So this home is not going to be a slam dunk, but the price range is right. I feel confident about the area long term. There's a lot of lots around there that are in high demand right now, and we're seeing a lot of development in the area. I mean, just one or two streets over, there's been two big developments. One is like a $300,000 to $400 something thousand condo townhome development that they've been selling out. They sold out their condos very quickly, so there's a lot of, or the townhomes, very quickly, so there's a lot of demand for the area. And also a newer apartment complex as well that has been thriving in the area. And I'm talking about like one or two streets away. So it's off of the main road, which is very nice, it's easy to get to, but then it's kind of weird to get into the area that it's at. And it's starting, I would put an offer in on it for around $250,000. Now, $250,000 works because it will get you into the price point that's around $150 per square feet, $130 off the top of my head. I'm gonna have to do the math later. But if you can get around that price point, then you can put this property as a year-long rental, and then you'll still be able to make it work numerically without losing money month after month after month. And you are having a traditional long-term investment that's considered a traditional good buy. Like you wouldn't be losing money and you'd be gaining equity, and then over the period of 30 years, your renters are gonna be paying off your mortgage and you'll be making money at the same time, enough to save up for whenever they move out, you're able to, clean up whatever they did. And it works out. You're not gonna be killing it, but you're also not gonna be losing money, and you're gonna be building long-term wealth. Now, if it does, I would start off with trying to put it on Airbnb to see what would happen. I think off the top of my head, it would be around 4 to 5K maybe, if you're lucky. Now, your holding costs on this after management, utilities, and then having all your paper towels and stuff like that replaced all the time, I think your holding costs on this is going to be around $2,500 to $3,000 a month, maybe more, maybe less. And so if you can bring in 4K a month, then it's worth the risk and worth the hassle. So my goal for this property on Airbnb would be to get you at 4 or 5K. Anything over that, oh my God, you won. But if you're not hitting that consistent 4K, you should probably sell your furniture, take it off the market, and then rent it. And then just try later on in the future whenever the area is developed a little more than what it currently is at right now. The home again isn't the sexiest home. It's a 1-story versus 2-story. The backyard is not as big as I'd want it. The living room is not as usable for a dining room. A long, big dining room for events and hosting. And it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to put some living room furniture and a TV anywhere as well. And so it's kind of awkwardly shaped for the use of Airbnb, and the room sizes are too small to really fit 2 beds in them. You could probably fit 2 beds in the master, but then you're gonna have to just be okay with the fact that you don't have a master. You're just gonna be putting 2 full beds in the master and then 1 queen in each room, or 1 full in each room. So with that, and you have the pull-out couches, if you somehow do the living room stuff, then you're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8. You're probably looking at 10 to 12 max sleeping, with a lot of them being kind of on fold-out couches or pull-out couches. So that's this video, real quick and easy. This is a long-term, cross your fingers, hope to die, hope not to die. Why would you hope to die? That's a weird saying. I never thought of that before. But yeah, this is going to be a long term. I really hope this area improves. Personally, I don't see how this area won't improve. And so think of this as buying a long term hold stock for retirement. And then once you start seeing the revenue come in on this, next year, whenever you try to buy something, your loan officer is going to see that you have got this mortgage, but you're making profit on it. And so it's going to look really good. You'll be able to be approved for more than what you currently have this year. So that works out. Risk on this is very low. Reward on this is very low as well. So it's kind of a neutral. I still think it's a great buy for someone that's trying to get into the game. But just know that it's not going to be a super exciting deal, and don't come to me in 1 or 2 years wanting to sell because things haven't worked out magically. You have to be okay with holding this thing for a very long time and don't sell it anytime soon. All right, for you newbies out there, hopefully this has helped and you guys can work your way to the top by get retired by 30. I hopefully am going to be 100% done by 40. I'm 36 now. I could retire now, but I'm going to have to retire and not really live that baller life. So I want to retire and be living that baller life. Okay, if you're with me, if you like what you hear, if you're on the retire by 40 or 30 train, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and reach out to me. Send me an email or a DM with your contact information, email, and your pre-approval letter if you want me to help you get a home in the Dallas, Houston, Austin market, preferably Dallas. Okay, I am a real estate investor and a real estate agent. I hope this helps, and I hope I can help you. See you guys later. Bye.